Hi everyone. So we continue 10 point B, and now that we have a general definition of Macaulay duration. Okay, so assume that general cash flow. So we have a bond. So we start at 0, and we have multiple cash flows, maybe at time t1, t2, t3, up to tn, and we have cash flow of a sub t1, a sub t sub 2, and a sub t sub 3 up to a sub t sub n. Then the Macaulay duration that we write Mac d. So Macaulay duration is defined by weighted average. So at first, we think about the present value of each cash flow. That is the a sub t sub I times v to the power ti. So you can see that, for example, a sub t1, we think about the present value, so we have to multiply by the v sub t1. So this is the present value, so we take summation of all cash flow, so the a sub t1 to a sub tn. Then how about the numerator? So remember that we want to take the average of these numbers t1 to tn and weight it by this, the present value. So that becomes summation. Okay, so summation is I is equal to 1 to n. We have we want to take average of t1 to tn, so we have ti times a right angle ti times the v times v to the power ti. So this is the definition of Macaulay duration. Okay, so in the next example, we apply this formula for a little more complicated cash flow. Okay, see you then.